just a quick promo to remind you that Anywhere on Wheels is running a Thailand tour in December in conjunction with the Friendly Design Expo. We've got some footage of one of our tours on the screen now. You can check it out. There's lots and lots of things we do. It's pretty much a tour steeped in the traditions of Thailand and the fun of Thailand. It's a great, giant, big party. There's the famous floating market, which is just accessible, kind of, sort of, but we make the best of it and we have loads and loads of fun. There's Ayutthaya, the original capital of Thailand. Where else are we going? There's so many places that we do go. There's the Golden Buddha, 5.5 tonne of gold and originally hidden in concrete, would you believe? Damnon Care Resort, our second stop. It's a resort owned and operated by a Thai gentleman in a wheelchair. There's Ryan in the speedboat having a lot of fun, as you could see. And then on the same canal at 5:30 the next morning, there is the monks just going up and down the canal, collecting some food and stuff from the people who live on the canal. There we are in Mini Siam, which is we do at night time, and it's all sorts of mini monuments from all around the world. We have loads and loads of fun, and in conjunction with the Friendly Design Tour, it's a really fun time. There's Tamara Resort, which is just outside Pattaya, and that's nice and friendly and roomy and a wonderful place. As you can see, we all relax there and have loads and loads of fun. On we go to Nong Nooch, a great day, complete with tigers and elephants and culture shows. A really happy place where the animals are also very happy. You can tell because they've had 93 elephant births in the last few years at Nong Nooch. So, and there's Ryan giving one a banana. They eat about a quarter of their weight in bananas or food every day, apparently. So it's a lot of food, believe it or not. There's the Tiger Park with the little baby tigers and Gracie there. We really want you to come along and enjoy all these wonderful things in Thailand. There's the beach. Thailand trip wouldn't be complete without one day at the beach. And at that beach, you can have a massage, you can get food bought or drink bought or do whatever you want. Just relax and enjoy. Let's listen to a little bit of a poem from Dawn and what some of the people think of the tour.
And give life a go. Trust yourself and flow.
What a great way to make friends and meet people. You know, you're not alone when you come on an Anywhere on Wheels tour.
I have enjoyed immensely, but I'll tell you what, I would never have come to Thailand without having come on a group like this.
Everyone helps out and helps with everyone really, and I've helped with other people, they've helped with me, so it gives you a bit of a break and you get to meet new people as well.
I don't want to go home.
You just don't know what to expect when you come out, but you don't know who you're going to be with, you don't know what you're going to be doing, and actually it's a really great gang of people and we've done a lot of really exciting things, so done a lot more than what I thought.
Well, there it is, a 14-day tour of Thailand in December in conjunction with the Friendly Design Expo. Everything will be happening. We want to party and we want you to party with us. Let's hope we can see you there, and if you are interested, just drop us an email at tour@anywhereonwheels.com and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. See you here in Thailand.